How to make your Valentine's Day special. Hire a party bus. With Valentine's Day approaching fast, you are probably trying to get the prettiest outfit, a bouquet, chocolates, and the perfect gift for your loved one. While these are nice romantic gestures, hiring a party bus gives you plenty of additional ways to make the day even more fun, meaningful, and unique. Here are some ideas to change things up this year. Karaoke Party. Sing your favorite love songs to reminisce about the times you've shared together. With a party bus, maximize the use of high-end sound systems plus flat-screen TVs for unlimited singing. Valentine's Day Cocktail Party. A party bus will save you from crowded bars during Valentine's Day. You can still celebrate cocktail and wine night, but in a more intimate and hassle-free manner using the customized wet bar on your party bus. Dinner and movie date. You can have dinner and watch movies in one sitting. You can bring food and at the same time watch your all-time favorite romantic movies inside the party bus. Beach trip. Valentine's is also a perfect time to have a great day on the beach. A date doesn't have to be stressful with tons of preparations. Being one with nature is enough to relax, unwind, and spend time together. Surprise your partner with the luxury of a party bus. It is one of the most convenient and unique ways of celebrating Valentine's. An L3 Limo party bus is the perfect answer for your Valentine's Day woes. With our high-quality, fully equipped vehicles and professional chauffeurs, your loved one will surely experience the most romantic and memorable surprise ever. For bookings and inquiries, call 813-699-5777 or visit www.l3limo.com.